What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming to you guys with another video. So, besides all that awkward camera movement, got the generator running. I had ordered a new fuel pump for it. If I'm talking a lot, I apologize. I got ear pods in. So I was like frustrated. Like, man, I just got this dang generator. It ain't even running. I don't know what's wrong with it. So I figured out what it was. I used a bottle of gas. People are like, oh, gas? Why'd you use gas, man? This keeps the bugs out of my eyes, by the way. So if you guys got any questions. Hold on. Okay. Whew. Alright. So, this keeps the bugs out of my eyes. So the generator runs fine. I had to prime it. Bottle of gas, squirting it into the carburetor. Runs like a champ. Almost 2,000 hours on it. So I put about 600 on there myself. Alright, let's get the chop saw. We're gonna start cutting some beams. We gotta go get the... Alright, y'all, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this angle. I got a paper right here. Let's tell us what the spacing of the angle is gonna be. So right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. So the total length of the angle's got to be 7 foot or 9 foot 7.5. Spacing on the angle is going to be 2 foot 6 inches in between each angle from the bottom to the top. So it's 9 foot 7.5. So we're going to go ahead and cut this out with the chop saw. We got a paper here, 9 foot 7.5, and let's get to it. Not much to it but to do it. Let's do it. Guys, it is hot outside. I don't know if you can see that sweat. And man, bugs stay in your face. Get some goggles and keep them out your face. Don't irritate you. You see them, but you won't be irritated. Get some ear pods to listen to some music. That way you can stay focused and build up a rhythm to doing everything. You listen to music, you don't think about nothing else. Make the right cuts. It's been... What's up, guys? So I'm back. All right, so we cut one side of the building. So there's a total, if we had to count, and I think it got some going across the front too as well, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta look at the print. So you got 12, 60, I think 60. I think that's right, 60. So we got about like 60 of them, okay? The forklift is down. I fried one component on the forklift. I'll probably put a picture in if I can get a picture. I gotta figure out what it is first. So we got first 12 done for one side. Now we're gonna do the next 12 and then the next 12. So the way this is gonna go, I can only go to 10 foot tall. So once I get to 10 foot, then that'd be pretty much it. I think the max height is like 15, if I'm not mistaken. So I gotta go as high as I can with the ladder, and then I gotta wait till I rent the tool, the lift, to do the rest of them and then do the roof. So yeah, other than that, guys, I mean, we're just moving and working. That's all I'm doing, just trying to stay ahead of the curve. It's been pretty slow because of the rain. Whew. It sure is hot out here. Good thing I got some body armor. Nothing more better to protect your body than body armor. My body is protected. Nothing better than peach mango body armor light for the extra fit and mild. Less sugar than Gatorade. Peachy.